Tired of getting stung by hidden fees when traveling abroad? Fed up with those dreadful exchange rates that eat into your hard-earned cash? You're not alone. Millions of travelers are seeking smarter, more affordable ways to spend while exploring the world. And that's where YouTrip comes in. But is it truly trustworthy? Can you really rely on them for seamless and secure travel spending? Let's dive in and find out. YouTrip is a multi-currency wallet that aims to revolutionize how we spend overseas. Forget about those clunky physical cards or the anxiety of fluctuating exchange rates. YouTrip promises a sleek, user-friendly platform with competitive exchange rates and a range of features designed to make your travel experience smoother. One of the biggest draws is the ability to hold and convert multiple currencies. This eliminates the need to constantly exchange cash and allows you to easily track your spending in real time. Imagine effortlessly switching between currencies while exploring different countries, no more mental math or confusing exchange rates. But what about those all-important fees? YouTrip boasts low or even zero transaction fees, a major plus compared to traditional banks. This translates to significant savings, especially for frequent travelers. And let's not forget the competitive exchange rates, often beating out traditional banks and even some dedicated travel cards. Now, you might be wondering, is it safe? YouTrip utilizes robust security measures, including multi-factor authentication and encryption, to safeguard your funds. Your money is held in regulated financial institutions, providing an extra layer of security. But what if something goes wrong? YouTrip offers excellent customer support, readily available to assist with any queries or issues you may encounter. And let's talk about transparency. YouTrip is upfront about its fees and exchange rates, ensuring you always know exactly what you're paying. No hidden surprises or unexpected charges. To get a true sense of YouTrip's trustworthiness, let's hear from real travelers. John, a seasoned digital nomad, raves about the convenience of having multiple currencies readily available. Sarah, a budget-conscious backpacker, highlights the significant savings she's achieved by using YouTrip. David, a frequent business traveler, praises the platform's user-friendliness and exceptional customer service. Of course, no service is perfect. Some users have reported minor technical glitches or occasional delays in customer support. However, these instances seem to be relatively rare, and YouTrip is consistently working on improving its platform and services. So, is YouTrip trustworthy? Based on its impressive features, competitive pricing, robust security measures, and positive user feedback, the answer is a resounding yes. YouTrip has the potential to significantly enhance your travel experience by simplifying currency management, minimizing costs, and providing peace of mind. However, it's crucial to do your own research and compare YouTrip with other travel spending options to find the best fit for your individual needs and travel style. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.